Dodge Charger, and my daytime running lights, the past driver's side is on, but this one is not. It's not working because I pulled the dust cover off and left it off and got moisture in it and burned it up. The LEDs around, you know, the edge. So I have a new headlamp that I'm going to put in here, the whole housing. And yeah, I gotta take off these clamps all around, and there's a couple of screws right in here. Got one right here, and I think there's another one in here. Yeah. And I gotta take clamps off around here. This one, and take it off so I can get to the front, so I can get some screws off up here and take these screws off on the bottom, and pretty much comes right off. So I'm going to do that right now. So I've gotten this far, gotten the housing almost off and getting ready to put it on. Just got to take this one screw off right here, and then I'm going to go get the new one. Alright, so this is how I received my headlamp, my whole housing, just like this. Haven't even opened it up yet, so get it the right side up here. And I'm going to take this puppy out and make sure she fits on my car. Looks right. It's got a dust cover, light, lamp, and brackets. And yeah, so I'm gonna see what happens. Alright, so I'm gonna attempt to take this guy off right now. Find my wrench here. Take the rest of it off. Now disconnect the light here. And take this guy off. Go ahead and, what is this? Go ahead and put this guy on. I don't know what this is right here, but it actually looks pretty cool. It wasn't on the other one. I don't know what's going on, but let's go ahead and try it out here. Right, so we'll have to fix that. Alright, so it's all hooked up. I just put one bolt in just to test it. So let's see what we got. Yay! I got daytime running lights again. Once again. You'll probably see a little better if you get down here. Yeah, there you go. I have daytime running lights again on this brand new lamp that I got. I love it really a lot now. Took me a while to put it together, but, well, I haven't put it together yet, but it took me a while to take it apart. Now I just gotta put it back together. This is my 2018 Dodge Charger SXT Plus.